Hi everyone, myself Miss Rachna Katale, Assistant Professor of Physics from Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Now we study about the laws of thermodynamics. This topic is from BSc second, paper number 5. First of all, we generally introduce the whole chapter, that is what we are learn in this topic, then we start. So, first point is thermodynamics, in which we clear about the thermodynamic concept. Then next, thermodynamic system and thermodynamic variables. In this point, we will study about system, surrounding and variables. Then, thermodynamic equilibrium depends upon the temperature, pressure and other thermodynamic variables values. There are several equilibriums like mechanical equilibrium, thermal equilibrium and chemical equilibrium. So we will study about it. These three points gives us the basic knowledge about the thermodynamics. Then the important points of this topic are laws of thermodynamics. There are 4 laws: Zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics and third law of thermodynamics. So Zeroth law depends upon the thermal equilibrium of the system. Then first law of thermodynamics depends upon the internal energy and heat of the system. Then we will study about its applications, means where we actually use the first law of thermodynamics. Then second law of thermodynamics gives the direction in which the transfer of heat takes place. Then next point, Carnot cycle depends upon these laws, Zeroth law, first law and second law. Scientist Carnot gives us the theoretical proof about the Carnot cycle. So in this point we will study about construction of the cycle and how it actually works. Next point is physical significance of entropy, in which we will study about entropy by graphical representation. So last point is third law of thermodynamics, which depends upon the change in entropy. So guys, this is introductory part of the chapter. Now we start. First point is thermodynamics. The word thermodynamics is made up of thermo and dynamics. Thermo means heat energy and dynamics means movement. So in simple words, the movement in heat energy is the thermodynamics. In other words, heat energy is converted into other forms of energy and other forms of energy is converted into heat energy. So this interconversion between the energies is called as thermodynamics. So in the language of physics, the proper definition of the thermodynamics is the study of interconversion between heat energy and other forms of energy is called as thermodynamics. So one example about the thermodynamics is our human body. When we eat something, it is converted into heat energy in our body, and when we have energy to move. So our body also works as on the principle of thermodynamics. So in this universe, all are working on the principle of thermodynamics. So thermodynamics is very important. There are in all four fundamental laws of thermodynamics by which the interconversion can be explained. First is Zeroth law, then first law, second law, and third law of thermodynamics. The laws are known as laws of thermodynamics. They are based on experimental observation, and in this topic we study about it in details. So the next point is thermodynamic system and thermodynamic variables. There are three concepts. One is thermodynamic system, then surrounding of thermodynamic system, and thermodynamic variables. These concepts are depends on each other. So I take one example. Consider this is bottle filled with hot water. After some time we get the water at normal temperature because the water exchange heat with the surrounding. Means the water bottle work as a system and all things outside the system is surrounding. So the definition of the thermodynamic system is when a change of any type occurs in a material by exchanging heat with its surrounding, the material is called as thermodynamic system. Means this bottle is works as a thermodynamic system. Then surrounding of thermodynamic system. All things outside the thermodynamic system from the surrounding of the thermodynamic system. Means this works as a thermodynamic system and all things around this water bottle is works as a surrounding of the thermodynamic system. When a thermodynamic system undergoes a change like an expansion or contraction, it can be described by change in some variables like change in pressure, change in volume, change in temperature, or change in entropy. So these variables are called as the thermodynamic variables. Means when the thermodynamic system undergoes a change like an expansion or contraction, it can be described by change in some variables. They are pressure, volume, temperature, and entropy. So this is the thermodynamic system and thermodynamic variables. Okay, thank you.